Hello, hello. Oh no, our all letters are gone. Let's find alphabet A. A. No, no. A. A for aeroplane. Let's find next letter B. Yes, we got it. Letter B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Next letter D. Let's find D. We got it. D for dog. E. E for eagle. Let's find F. We got it. Letter F. Next letter G. Let's find letter G. Yes, we got it. Letter G. G for gorilla. Next letter H. Let's find H. H for hand. Let's find letter I. I. Yes, we got it. Letter I. I for ice cream. Let's find letter J. J. J for jelly. Letter K. K for king. Next letter L. Let's find. Yes, we got it. Letter L for lion. M. M for mango. Next letter N. N for nest. O. O for owl. Next letter is P. Let's find letter P. Yes, letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. Next letter S. Yes, S for sun. Let's find letter T. T. T for train. Next letter is U. U. U for umbrella. Next letter V. Let's find V. V for van. Next letter W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Let's find Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello, hello. Oh no, our all shapes are gone. Kids, today we are going to learn shapes puzzle. Let's find first shape square. Let's find square. This one? No, no. Square. Yes. Yellow color. Square. Next shape is circle. Let's find circle. This one is circle. Next, hexagon. Hexagon. Triangle. Let's find triangle. This one? No. Wrong. Yes, triangle. Octagon. Let's find octagon. Yes, octagon. Next, pentagon. Oh no, where is pentagon? Yes, we got it. Pentagon. Next, oval. Let's find oval. Oh no, where is it? Oval? Yes, we got it. Oval. Next, semicircle. Let's find semicircle. Oh no, where is semicircle? This one? No. This one? Yes, semicircle. Place here. Next, rectangle. Let's find rectangle. Kids, help me. Where is rectangle? Yes. This one is rectangle. Place here. Next is trapezoid. Let's find. Yes, this one is trapezoid. Next is parallelogram. Let's find this one. Yes, parallelogram. Next, cone shape. Let's find cone shape. Oh no, where is cone shape? Kids, can you help me? Yes, this one is cone. Place here. Next, heart. Yes, this one is heart shape. So easy shapes. This one is cloud. Cloud. Next, star. Oh no. Identify star shape, kids. Yes, this one is star. And last shape is cross. Place here cross. Wow, kids, our puzzle are complete. Can you enjoy? Bye bye.